How to play trivia games in a WhatsApp group. Press the Trivia button, and you'll see this user interface. Here, you need to add the questions and their corresponding answers. Next, select the options you need. For example, this checkbox lets you tag all group members before each question. You can also separate participants by nation order and post a nation summary. There's a button to tag people at any time, but I recommend using it only when calling them before the game starts to avoid interruptions while the program detects player responses. The Randomize option shuffles the question order. The Correct Answers option sets the limit of correct responses needed before moving to the next question. The Skip Question button allows you to skip the current question if nobody knows the answer. The remaining options are for text formatting. You can switch the user interface language between English and Spanish. The script is free to download. However, if you'd like to support the project, you can make a donation via PayPal. About installation: this project is hosted on GitHub. To use it, install the TamperMonkey extension in your browser. Install the script from the GitHub repository. That's it, you're ready to start. Now, let's watch a game in progress. So, as you can see, the script detects players' responses and compares them with the answer column. If a player's response is correct, the script grants points to that player.